In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your Canva project as a PDF. Whether you're working on a stunning presentation, an engaging infographic, or a creative piece of artwork, downloading your project correctly ensures you have a high-quality product ready for your needs. So let's dive right in and go through the process step by step. First, open your web browser or Canva app and navigate to your Canva project. Start by logging into Canva if you haven't already. Once you're in your dashboard, select the project you wish to download. It's always a good idea to review your project one last time to make sure everything looks just the way you want it to, from the design elements to the text and colors. After confirming your project is ready, direct your attention to the top right corner of the Canva interface, where you'll find the Share button. Clicking on Share opens a drop-down menu with various options. Here you will see options to collaborate, link, or share your masterpiece across different platforms. But for our purpose today, focus on selecting the Download option. Once you click Download, a panel will appear, presenting you with a variety of file format choices. These options range from PNG to JPG, and even video formats for applicable projects. However, we'll concentrate on PDFs today. You'll notice there are two types of PDFs you can choose: PDF Standard and PDF Print. PDF Standard is ideal for general use cases. It's perfect for when you need to maintain a balance between quality and file size. Great for sharing digitally without consuming too much space. Contrastingly, PDF Print is the better choice for when you're aiming for the highest quality output, especially if you're planning to print your project. It results in a larger file but ensures that every detail is crystal clear and professional grade for physical prints. In this scenario, choose the option that best meets your needs. If space is a concern or if you are distributing the document online, go for PDF Standard. After making your selection, double-check any additional settings or preferences available, and you're ready to proceed. Go ahead and hit the Download button, and your project will begin downloading to your device. And just like that, you're done. Your Canva project is now safely downloaded as a PDF, ready for sharing or printing as you see fit. By following these steps, you can ensure you always have a high-quality version of your designs available for any purpose. As you grow more comfortable with the process, downloading your Canva projects will become second nature, so you can focus even more on creating amazing designs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helped streamline your Canva experience. If you found this tutorial useful, consider watching more of our content to help enhance your digital design skills. See you next time.